This is the last video in the 4-part series that I've been working on hatchet restoration. You can see here I already went ahead and created a nice leather sheath for protection for both hatchets. Went ahead and actually also extended this welt line down a little bit lower, and that purpose is to protect this lower edge here from being exposed, from cutting you or getting nicked while it's in storage. Okay, so in this video we're going to be doing the final sharpening. If you remember from the first video, if you did watch it, we got it pretty close, but not super sharp at that point. There was a lot more work to be done. You don't really want to cut yourself. So in this video we're going to take it to the final sharpness, and that's going to be enough to shave with, and of course enough to cut some wood. Okay, let's get started. So guys, this is it. The final sharpened hatchet. Just to show you how sharp it is. I'll do the normal test. You'll see. Crazy people do.
It's a little hard to do with something this big.
Okay, so we have the small hatchet, the restored hatchet head. Use this as a test. Large restored hatchet has a obviously much more weight behind it. So it should be able to eat through a lot more material at once. Two restored antique hatchets, all the sheaths. protect them.